Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a custom header menu in Wix website so that your visitors can easily navigate your websites like a pro. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps here. Now, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for wix.com. Once you are on the official website of Wix, you need to simply log in into your account. Now, once you are in your Wix dashboard, you need to pick your websites and you need to open the studio editor. So this is your studio editor that should look something like this. Over here, I have already selected a theme, and in that theme, I already have the header enabled. But if you are creating a completely new website, you would want to add headers. So in order to do that, simply click on the add elements option in the left hand section. Here you can try to find the header option over here, or what you can do is you can simply use the search bar here in the top and search for header. So once you search for header, you will find the header tab here. So you need to simply click on that and choose the header layout that you can always customize it later. So after selecting the header tab, as you can see over here, you will see quick edits option and bunch of other settings. So here if we click on the quick settings option, you can simply change the name in your header. Then you can make it bold, italic, and you can also provide any link into it. Afterwards, you need to just change the title on your header. If you want to manage any of the settings, you can click on the settings option over here and you can change the settings. Next, we have the horizontal menu that we have the manage option. So if you click on manage, you will see all of the tabs that we have included in our header like home, shop, FAQ, contact us, etc. If you want to add more menu, you can click on the add more menu option and select any pages, any links, or any sections over here. It will appear here in your header and it should look something like this. Now, after selecting your header, if you go to its setting, you can basically provide animations to your header. Like by default, it will be like freezes, but you can just scroll with the website and disappear and fade out. Basically, you can add scrolls to your header. So it will be very easy for you to customize your header if you use any pre-made template or even if you use any header on your own. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.